the front three-quarter view, the Yamaha Cruiser stands tall and commanding. Its wide handlebars stretching outward like a true American road warrior. The chrome rustic light white fuel tank gleams under the showroom lights, reflecting every curve with precision. The round LED headlamp sits proudly in the center, framed by muscular front forks and a thick front tire with deep tread. The blacked-out V-twin engine contrasts beautifully with the polished chrome pipes, giving it a mix of aggression and class. It feels like a motorcycle designed to dominate the open highway. The full side profile reveals the bike's flowing design and timeless cruiser stance. The stretched fuel tank flows smoothly into the low-slung leather seat. The long chrome exhaust pipes run parallel to the frame, and the rear fender hugs the fat rear tire tightly. Every weld, every reflection, every curve is visible in this 8K view, making the motorcycle look like a sculpture. The polished floor mirrors the silhouette, doubling its road presence in the showroom. From the rear three-quarter view, the bike looks muscular and planted. The thick rear tire dominates the frame. The sculpted rear fender shows off the rustic chrome white finish, and the dual chrome pipes glint in the light. The LED tail lamp glows faintly, hinting at the bike's readiness to ride. The entire machine feels like it's crouched and waiting for the throttle twist that sends it roaring down the road. Looking from above, the top-down view showcases the perfect symmetry of the design. The fuel tank cap sits neatly in the center. The handlebars are aligned straight, and the leather seat flows into the fender with precision. The chrome rustic light white paint catches the light like liquid metal, and the polished floor makes the whole bike look like a centerpiece of art in a gallery. From the rider's perspective, the cockpit is wide and commanding. The chrome tank stretches ahead, the wide handlebars feel inviting, and the round mirrors reflect the bright showroom lights. The digital speedometer glows softly, adding a touch of modern tech to this classic design. The rider's seat feels low and comfortable, putting you in control of this big cruiser. Zooming in on the instrument cluster, the craftsmanship becomes clear. The round gauges have crisp markings, the LCD display is sharp, and every button and indicator glows softly. The chrome bezels reflect light beautifully, and the tank curves on either side frame the view, making it feel like you are about to set off on a long ride. Under the tank, the V-twin engine is the heart of the bike, and it looks powerful and raw. The polished cooling fins, the matte black crankcase, and the chrome exhaust headers create a contrast that screams mechanical beauty. The reflections of the showroom lights make every surface pop,